Right, so we are reading Scientist Academy, and we're going to learn about different types of scientists. So, meet the scientists. Laboratory scientists, chemists study matter, what makes up everything in the world, like an alchemist. Alchemy. Biologists study living things like plants and animals. Physicists study things like energy and forces of movement. Oh, like a quantum physicist, like Mom studies quantum physics. Nice. Which definitely we can put in your homeschooling log that I teach you about quantum physics. Meet the scientists. All right, so space scientists. Astronomers study the universe and everything in it, galaxies, stars, and planets. Earth scientists. Geographers study things like Earth's mountains. Maybe we should put it here. No, I can't read it. Yes, I can. No, because you want to see it. The geographers study things like Earth's mountains, rivers, and deserts, and the people living there. Geologists study rocks, volcanoes, and earthquakes. Wow, meteorologists study and explain the weather and climate. Environmental scientists explore how people's actions affect the natural world, and oceanographers study the... Oceanographers study the... Ocean. Ding, ding, ding. Really, bro. Oceanographers study the ocean. So far we have laboratory scientists, chemists, biologists, physicists, space scientists, astronomers, earth scientists. We got our geographers, geologists, meteorologists. Those are the ones that tell the weather, the environmental scientists, and the oceanographers. And then last but not least, we have life scientists. Marine biologists, which learn about animals and plants that live in the ocean. Zoologists study animals, how they behave, and where they live. And sports scientists study the human body to help athletes. Meet the scientists. Turn the page. What's next? What egg? In the laboratory. Scientists often work in a special room called a laboratory, the laboratory. Here is some of the equipment scientists use in a lab. Let's see what we got. Scales are used to carefully weigh items. Safety is very important in the laboratory. Scientists handling chemicals wear protective clothing to keep them from harm. Lab coat, gloves, goggles. A thermometer is used to measure the... heat. The what? Heat. The temperature. Heat, yeah. A beaker is larger than a test tube, but is used for a similar purpose. And then we have test tubes. They're small, clear containers used to store and mix experiment with liquids. Same thing as a beaker, but a beaker is bigger. Good job. Ding, ding, ding. Brain training. Scientists spend a lot of time figuring things out. These activities will help you think like a scientist. Answers are at the bottom of the page. Plot the paths. Draw lines to join beaker pairs. Lines can't cross each other. The first one is done for you. Did you do those already?
Yeah.
That looks like it, yeah. Science square. Okay, so you did all these. Magnet. Ooh, why does Mom like magnets? You know? What work do I study? Magnetic mind. Skywatch. Who's ready for Skywatch? Astronomers are space scientists who study the universe. They watch the sky, stars and planets and galaxies. Comets, asteroids, planets, spiral galaxies, satellites, International Space Station, meteor shower, Big Dipper constellation, the Dwarf Star, and Little Dipper constellation. Look, bro. Spot the difference. An astronomer must have excellent observation skills. Study these 2 night skies, circle the 8 differences, then check the answers on the bottom of the page. So you want to find the differences?
No.
I see a few already. Ooh, I see 3, like 3 of them. Can I tell you? No, maybe so.
This.
The moon is on a different side. No, it's on the same side.
Now look, this.
This moon.
No, look,
Oh, you already got them circled.
look. This is going there, up, and this is going down.
It's shaped a different way. This one's longer. Three, 4, 5. There's 6 over here and 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's 6 over there too. The moon is smaller. Did we get that? There's an extra cloud over here.
Where?
See, there's a little cloud missing.
No.
There's 2 little clouds there.
Yeah, I know. I
One
already
there.
circled it.
So how many was that? 8 things.
One count. 1, 2, 3,
The-
4,
Oh, the color
5,
of this.
6, 7, 8.
Got them all?
Yep.
All right. Who's 8 years old? Make a map. We've already done that. So geographers study Earth's features like mountains, rivers, and deserts. They understand how things change as time goes by. They know people often change the land. These scientists have good observation skills. Study where the mountains and town are in the picture and notice where the river and lake are compared to where the railway, roads, and forests are located. So study the picture. And then you created a map
Well,
based on these symbols. Make a map. Protecting the planet. Environmental scientists study the relationship between Earth and living things. They work to help people, plants, and animals to stay healthy. Rainforest rescue. These scientists look for ways people can help protect the Amazon rainforest. The millions of trees in the rainforest take carbon dioxide out of the air and release oxygen that people and animals need to breathe. The Amazon rainforest in South America is home to 1 in every 10 of Earth's plants and animal species. Our planet is home to millions of types of animals and plants. Each kind lives in the environment surroundings that suits its own needs. Rainforest I Spy. Environmental scientists study animals and where they live. Many rainforest insects are they use camouflage to help them hide. A leaf katydid looks like a leaf with legs. Can you find the 8 katydids in the rainforest?
yep.
So that's a katydid. And it looks like a leaf.
This
1,
is a duck.
3. And let's see, last but not least, here we got animals. Zoologists study animals, how they behave, and where they live. These animals live in the African savanna. Write the number of the animal description next to the correct animal name. Answers are at the bottom of the page.
You want egg? Right there.
So we have
It's
the animals. A stork is
Ocean animal.
No, you don't want that?
long-legged bird,
Yep.
wades in water. An aardvark.
That kind of looks like an anteater.
Oh, right. Eats insects. Long nose, sticky tongue to eat insects. That sounds like it.
Yeah, that's an anteater.
Impala. That's a car. Just kidding. But it is. Okay. Impala. What is an impala?
Deer.
Gathers in herds, eats grass. Sounds like it.
You know, actually, tigers. Tigers actually eat them.
Yeah, they do. Jackal. Jackal's a... Is that nighttime animal? Makes crying noises. African buffalo. Probably this one. Powerful animal, can weigh a ton.
Yep.
And a bush baby is the last but not least. It says nighttime animal makes crying noise. Looks creepy too. Really.
Yeah. Yeah, wait, that's an animal from Madagascar.
Is it?
Yeah.
And then the coral leaf maze, which we have got through.
No, we have.
And you didn't get through the maze? Looks like you did.
I said yes, we did.
Perfecto. It's an accident. And then there is a qualified scientist name. The above named scientist has completed all tasks and finished scientist training. Scientist Academy wishes you great success in your future career. So if you could be a scientist, what kind would you want to be? Let us know in the
Mr.
comments.
Ducky says he wants to be a duck scientist.
Would you want to be
Mr. Ducky says he wants to be a duck.
laboratory science?
Mr.
A
Ducky,
chemist, a biologist, a physicist?
Mr. Ducky said he wants to be a duck scientist and study ducks.
That would probably be a zoologist. Studies animals and how they behave.
No, Mr. Ducky, right here, wants to study other duckies.
Oh, really?
Yes. And then he'll make 4 duckies mutant, and they'll be called the mutant duckies. Yeah, the mutant
Teenage
duckies.
Mutant Duckies.
Yeah, the teenage mutant
He'll be a
duckies.
duckologist.
No, the teenage.
Which one do you want to be,
The
though?
teenage mutant.
Chemist,
duckies.
biologist? I want to be a chemist and a physicist. Physicist.
I'm put on I want to be a Fortnite player.
And I also want to be an astronomer.
Okay, but duckies is going to make 4 duckies mutant, and they will be called the 4 mutant duckies.
What would
The
you want to
mutant
study, guys?
ducky.
Let us know.
The mutant duckies.
This has been Science Lesson.
And we also
Usborne Books.
had Dim anymore.
So we'll see you for the next video.
We'll be
And
more.
we should have probably had the light on the whole time.
Yeah.
Nope. Because with the light on, it's white. Peace out. White out. Truth, love, and light.
Bye-bye.
Have a namaste.